So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to create a ClickBank account for the first time. So first, you need to access or open any search engine or web browser, but in this case, we are going to use the Google Chrome. So you could use any search engine based on your preference, just like the Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. So after that, you need to utilize its search bar for you to be able to search for the clickbank.com, and after that, you are going to scroll it down until you see the notes and resources, which is there are the URL attached right here. Just click on this one. Once you click on that one, you will redirect to this page, which is on the sign up page as well as the login page. So you are going to click or enter your credentials on login page if you have a current account, but if you don't have one, just click on the sign up page for you to able to register and create a new account. Then a much text field is provided right here, which is it asks for your country as well as its first and last name and your phone number as well, and email and password as well. So for you to able to create your account, just click or tick this box and click continue to terms and conditions and click the join ClickBank for you to able to create your account. So that's how we create or sign up for a ClickBank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.